and welcome to the channel. Today we are unboxing our Boxycharm by Ipsy. They did send it over in PR, so thank you so much to Boxycharm by Ipsy or Ipsy for doing so. I did get a couple little items that I did want to talk to you guys about because the Sephora VIB sale is starting literally in a couple days, and I want to make sure to get this video up to you guys because, as you know, like the first of the month is when you can get in there and start making your picks for Ipsy. If you're new to the channel, hello, welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we keep it freaking cute, or we put it on mute, or you get blocked. It's up to you, boo.
A special shout out to each and every single one of my YouTube members for helping to support the channel.
So let's go ahead and jump on in. Like I said, they did send this over in PR, so that means I did not get to customize this box, which I'm totally okay with. With that being said, on the first of the month, within the first couple days, you do get to make your customized choices. Now, this is a monthly subscription. There is 5 items in this box, and you are going to get to customize like 3 out of the 5 items based on what you want, and then the other 2 are going to be based upon your specifics and like the quiz and everything that you have filled out. So we've got a little card in here. It says Ipsy Boxycharm Spring into Self-Care. We do have save the dates mega drop shop, which is going to be May 12th to May 18th, and I do believe I forgot, oh my god, there is foam. It was just tucked in there perfectly. Yay. What I was going to tell you guys as well is the box is $32 a month, and I do believe there's like a $1.99 handling fee. So we do have foam tucked away in there that your girl completely did not see. Whoa, oh my god. Oh, okay, hold on. I like to not know. I like everything to be a surprise. So let's start off with the first item we see here. Okay, so this is by Paul Mitchell. It's a Bond RX treatment. You guys know I have been loving seeing more and more hair product in the box, just where I'm at. We're going into the summertime, so even more so out in the sun, swimming, down at the lake, camping, whatever it may be. So I love all the hydration and everything, and of course with Kentucky Dry Air, I'm just always taking care of my hair. So this is a deeply nourish and protect treatment, and I'm very excited to try it. Oh, it's got a seal. I was gonna snip it. Anyways, love that. All right, next in here we have a salicylic acid by Rhodile. It's a pore refining cleanser to lift and illuminate. It has ingredients such as niacinamide, Egyptian lotus, sacred lotus, and pink diamond powder. Oh, it's a cleanser. Someone will probably ask, Rhonda, what is the spring right here? That, if you follow me on my other channel, I did a Temu haul explaining it. I hide these little springs around our house, and it's for our kitty cat. And it's like I guess it's like a little excitement, a little stimulation for her. But she thinks it's like really exciting, like she's hunting or something. I don't know, but it's a big deal for her, and we like to keep the queen happy. So we got the cleanser, and I do wonder if it'll be a little too strong for me. My skin is like normal to dry, but I guess you don't know unless you try, right? Okay, there we go. All right, next in here we've got Beauty for Real Lip Revival High Shine Hydrating Lip Oil. I love lip oils. Fun little fact, lip oils are not only nourishing and hydrating to your lips, but I swear the pigmentation in my lips has been coming back since I have religiously been applying lip oils nonstop throughout the day. Whether it's high-end, whether it's affordable, all the time. So I'm excited to get another one. Ooh, this one smells nice and fruity. Could be in my head, and if it is, just let me live in my happy little world, okay? All right, next in here we have a rare beauty item, which is hilarious because I asked you guys back in January what are some brands you'd like to see more in this year with Ipsy or Boxycharm, and a lot of you guys said rare beauty. Have you guys listened to Selena's new songs? It's good, right? Yeah, I really like it. And you know another one, off topic, Jessica Simpson's new song. I'm like, yes, the girl power between Selena and Jessica. This is the Perfect Strokes eyeliner gel. Ooh, okay, I like that. Oh, that was beauteous. You barely have to just beep, beep. So I use on my waterline the like a black, like currently I use the Milk Makeup, so we'll see how I mean, just trying to wipe it off, it seems like it's staying well. So hopefully this is one that doesn't bleed down, because I love the Milk Makeup one. So I will be testing this out. I think this is great. Here's what I'm excited about. I got a Natasha Denona palette. And you guys are probably like, yeah, we knew we were getting that. Well, did you now? Because your girl didn't. I like things to be a surprise. Wow. So this one in particular is the Hot Topic eyeshadow palette. Perfectly wrapped. Nice and neutral and boring, just like your girl loves. Oh my goodness. Look how gorgeous. Look how beautiful. I love that. It's very much nice and cool tone. Very stunning. I love Natasha Denona formula. Yay! This would be the kind of curated box that I would want. If I had to change anything, TBH, it would probably be the cleanser. And let me tell you, the foam cleanser that we just got, I think it was like in January, because this is the, no, maybe we got it in February, because this is the April box. That vitamin C foaming cleanser, I love it. I absolutely love it as much as the Tatcha Rice cleanser. So good. So it doesn't leave your skin feeling squeaky clean or nothing. It just feels clean, not dehydrated. It is wonderful. So that is always what I go based on, is how does my skin feel after I've used a cleanser. There's one that we got a few months back, probably in December. It's like a green colored bottle. That one I've got to unfortunately be careful with, because that does dry my skin out. This is a Lift and Illuminate. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it doesn't dry me out. I think overall that would have been the only thing I would have changed out of this entire box. This is really good. I like this. We do have a Your Beauty Routine Canvas Mocha Mousse. Meet the Pantone colors of 2025. Well, I love the color. We also have Save the Dates, Build Your Box, May 1st to May 3rd. And we're going to see brands like Elemis, their Skin Bliss Capsules, First Aid Beauty Brighten Glow Eye Cream, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. Apparently are going to be some sneaky peekies in there. How cool is that? All right, friends, so that is everything for today's Ipsy unboxing. I'm actually going to jump off and film another video with a little PR unboxing that I've got. But I did want to talk to you guys real quick about the Laneige products, because of the whole Sephora VIB sale starting up very soon. The Neo Essential Blurring Powder, I have been testing that out today. They sent this over to me. I love it. It's a very nice microfine kind of compact powder. It's very kind of bulky and interesting, but you have a nice size mirror in here. You got the powder poof. You lift it up and then you gently press down on it, and you get like the perfect amount of powder to just. First ingredient is silica. It's not talc. I really like it. I feel like if you have mature skin, you're gonna enjoy it too. I have normal to dry skin, and even though this is helping to absorb oil, it's not making my skin feel like, you know what I mean, like everything's getting sucked out of it. So love that. The other little item I wanted to tell you guys about, I have this on currently. It's the newer to the market that I know of, the Laneige Glaze Craze Tinted Lip Serum. I love this. It's in the shade Cinnamon Sugar. If you are wondering about things to pick up for the sale, I'd probably consider definitely these two. Anywho, whatsy, I am hopping off for now. Thank you once again to Ipsy for sending this box over my way. Don't forget, mark your calendars to get in there on April 1st to make your choices. If you do want to sign up for Ipsy or Boxycharm by Ipsy, I do have a little link down below. It's an affiliate link, so thank you bunches if you decide to use it. And until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.